Hello and welcome to another CLD preparation video on LabVIEW Advantage. Please pause the video or scroll if necessary to understand the requirement of this problem. I will tell you the solution in a moment. In this particular exercise, you have been asked which VI parses the reply and replaces the value in order in a numerical array. So your objective is to convert the string into the numeric array. If you look very carefully, since there is no shift register in the option A in the top, so you will not be able to retain the previous iteration values. So A is incorrect. Moving to option B, if you look, the query reply input does not have a shift register. That basically means in each iteration, match pattern VI will receive the same input. That means it also does not work. We'll now move to the option C. The option C has got the shift register on either the initialize array shift register as well as the query reply shift register. This is the correct answer because when the match pattern will not be able to identify any more matching value, in this case the comma, it will return the -1. So after it has processed all the values, the while loop will stop. Now let's quickly look at the option D. If you look into the option D, since the stop while loop condition is greater than equal to 0, which will always be true in the beginning, so the loop will execute only once. So the answer is C. Please like, share and comment on this video, and please do not forget to subscribe for the future LabVIEW videos. I'll see you next on the another CLD preparation video.